We're here today with this or that Sports TV's man of the match for today's performance, centre back Kevis Paul. First of all, congrats on the win. How are you feeling right now?
Feeling great. You know, a lot of people have been doubting us through the game at the last game that they lost. Come back and show the 40 spirit.
So, as a central defender, how does it feel to get yourself on the score sheet? How does it feel to score a goal, and such a timely goal and an important goal?
Well, it feels great. You know, normally centre back don't normally score as much, but I feel great.
Which country are you from?
Guyana.
So you're from Guyana, making the trip to Jamaica. Speak to me about that real quick.
Well, it was a trial. I heard about the trials and I just decided to go, and I'm here.
Besides scoring the goal, you made some timely tackles, you were composed around the back, and you guys kept a clean sheet. Speak to me about your individual performance today.
Well, it was, I would say, out of 150, but I believe I can do much more better than that.
And what can we expect from KC going forward?
Expect hard playing, composure on the ball, and fighting other team.
Alright, good game, Bala. Congrats.
Yeah.